Are you going to make candles?
Yeah.
What kind of candles?
Okay, big candles.
Big candles.
Okay.
Are you making candles for a holiday?
Yeah, holiday.
What holiday?
Koopa.
Oh, your kippah? Yeah, you wear your kippah on what holiday?
I get it.
You want to get your kippah? Go ahead. Go get your kippah. Sammy, what are you doing?
Okay, Koopa.
Sammy, what are you doing, honey? You look very surprised. Oh, your kippah. Oh, let's see your kippah. There it is. Oh, so the candles that you're making, are they for Shabbat?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. See you later. Bye.